Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's shaking the music industry. But before we get started, I have a question for you. Can you imagine a world where AI creates music so good that it replaces human artists? Stick around, because at the end of this video, we'll explore what's really going on. Recently, over 200 top musicians, including Billie Eilish and Katy, have come together to send a strong message. They're warning against the use of AI that could replace human artists. This is a big deal, folks. The music industry is standing up for its creators, and we're going to break it down. These artists have penned an open letter to AI developers and tech firms, urging them to stop using AI in ways that infringe on human artists' rights. They're concerned about their voices being replicated, their work being used without compensation, and the dilution of royalties. The music industry is taking a strong stance in the AI era. This isn't just about a few artists, it's a collective effort to protect the value and rights of creators. They're advocating for a responsible marketplace that doesn't replace human artists with AI. The Artists' Rights Alliance, representing these artists, is calling on tech firms to work together. They want to ensure the music sounds great and that artists are fairly compensated. It's about creating a balance between technology and human creativity. The letter calls out the predatory use of AI to steal professional artists' voices and likenesses. It's a plea to protect the music ecosystem, which is so vital to our culture and economy. Imagine if all we had were AI-generated music, where would the soul and emotion come from? The signatories of this letter span every musical genre, showing a united front against AI misuse. From Elvis Costello to Nicki Minaj, these artists are standing together to protect their craft. It's a powerful statement that crosses all boundaries. The letter acknowledges that AI can advance human creativity when used responsibly. But it warns against those who use the technology to sabotage creativity and undermine artists. It's a call for balance and respect in the way we integrate AI into music. The music industry is taking action. They're backing bills to protect their work from AI copyright issues. It's a fight for recognition and fair compensation in a world where AI is becoming increasingly prevalent. Earlier this year, the Human Artistry Campaign urged Congress to sign the No AI Fraud Act. It's a broader bill designed to protect against AI-generated fakes and forgeries. This is just one example of how artists are fighting back. Many artists supported the Elvis Act in Tennessee, the first state bill to address voice, image, and likeness protections against AI. It's a step towards ensuring that our identities and creations are respected in the digital age. The Recording Industry Association of America, representing major record labels, also supported the Elvis Act. It shows that the fight for artists' rights in the AI era is gaining momentum and support. Let's talk about AI in music. Yes, AI can create impressive music, but it lacks the emotion and creativity that human artists bring. Music is more than just notes and rhythms. It's a reflection of our human experience. For instance, have you heard AI-generated music? While it can mimic styles and patterns, it often lacks the depth and nuance of human-composed music. That's because AI can't feel joy, sorrow, or love, emotions that fuel so much of our favorite music. But what if we use AI to assist artists, not replace them? Imagine a world where AI helps musicians explore new sounds and push the boundaries of creativity. That's a collaboration that could lead to incredible music. It's crucial to discuss fair use and AI ethics. If AI is used to create music, how do we ensure fair compensation for the original artists? This is a complex issue that requires thoughtful solutions. As we move forward, the music industry must adapt to the impact of AI. It's about finding ways to integrate technology without losing the essence of what makes music so special to us. What do you think about AI in music? Should it be used to replace or assist human artists? Let me know in the comments below. Your thoughts matter, and I'd love to hear from you. In conclusion, the debate around AI and music is far from over. It's a conversation about artists' rights, creativity, and the future of an industry that touches our lives in profound ways. As we continue to explore AI, let's remember the value of human artistry. And now, for the answer to our question from the beginning, can AI replace human artists? The short answer is no, not completely. While AI can mimic and assist, it can't replicate the human soul and emotion that are at the heart of music.